and we'll select
Hey,
save.
hello, and welcome to my YouTube channel Techgrantha.
Okay, and the
So
status
today we will
should be
learn
enabled
about how to
because that's
install
going
the
to
Splunk
ingest
in
those
the
logs.
Windows.
And we'll go
So
back
we'll go
to
one by one
apps
and
and search
understand
and
the steps
reporting.
for the
All
installation
right, in the
process.
search bar
So
here,
before
we're
that,
going
if
to put in an
anybody
asterisk
missed
or a
to
star, and
subscribe
we're
the
going to
channel,
hit
please
return
subscribe
to
for
search
it
for all
and
the
just
events
share the
that it knows
videos
about.
to
As you can
your
see,
friend and
it's starting to
colleagues
get
so
events
they can also
from our
learn about
local
the
system.
Splunk
Again, in this video, we're just
informations.
dealing with the local, also get a little bit more advanced
Okay,
with
so firstly,
filters
like in the browser,
and
you need
different
to just
queries and
hit that
parameters and
URL.
things
I
like
will
that.
put
For
in the
this, what I'm
description
going to
also
do
that
is
link.
I'm actually going
And after that
to
you can
open up
see
our event
it is showing
viewer.
the free trial. So for the 60 days
So I'm
you
going to the
can
Windows
use free
menu
of
and I'm going to
cost.
open up event
So you
viewer.
need to click on free trial. Once you will click on the free
And I'm going
trial,
to go under Windows
then you
logs
will
and security.
get that
I'm going to
page,
right
and there
click
you can see
this
for the
and I'm going to
Windows have a
select clear
64-bit.
log.
There the download option will be there, so you need to just click
I'm
on
going
the
to
download
select
button,
clear.
and
So it's going to
once
clear the
download,
security log.
now you will
And I'll
click,
show you
the
why I'm
file
doing
will
this here in a second.
start to
So
download
if we
down
go
there
back
in the download
into
folder.
our
And
system here
once
in
the
our Splunk
downloadation
system,
is completed, then you
we're
need
going to
to
actually narrow this down a
open
little
the
bit. And I'm going to
exe
show you
file,
how you can do this.
and there you need to
So
click on the
all of these
checkbox of
parameters and
that,
fields,
and after
if
that
I
you need to
select
click
one,
on
so
the
for
next
instance,
button.
post,
So once you will click on that
and we'll hit
next
return.
button, here you need to enter the username.
And that's how you can narrow down the search. Great. So that's an example of
So
how
there I
you
just
can
given
search
the
in
username is
Splunk for
Techgrantha. I
specific
enter
things.
the
Now I'm going to copy this
password,
because we'll need it later.
then I'll just confirm the password,
And then I'm actually going to
and
select
after that you
create
need to
table
click on
view.
the next button. Once you click on the next button,
We'll
then click
skip the
on the
tour because again,
install.
I don't care about that.
So
And
that
this will actually put
process,
this
the
into
installation
a
will start
table.
on there.
And then on the left here, you can select or deselect different types of logs. So I'm going to actually unselect raw. So it's not going to give us all that
So after that, here you
information.
can see the
And I'm going to hit
installation is
done.
going on. Okay, once the file will be successfully downloaded, then you will get that window and you need to click on the finish. Okay, and after that it will open your that Splunk dashboard page. Here you need to enter the login and password. So I will just put username, which was Techgrantha, and I will enter here password and then click on sign in. Okay, once you will click on the sign in on there, then the window will start on there, and after that your dashboard will looks like that, which is similar to your Splunk, like on those things, right? So they are related to the query and all those things. We will start to learn in further videos. Okay, so please subscribe my channel, and upcoming sessions will provide you the more detailed information about the Splunk dashboard, how we are uh, writing the query in the realistic example. We'll start to navigate all those things. So whoever have suggestions is most welcome, and also please comment in the comment box like what next you want from the Splunk side and what type the tutorial you want to be covered from my end. Okay, thank you so much.